beautiful people. I'm Nancy Agbebo and you are welcome to my kitchen. Hope you all are doing great. Today let's make this yummy plantain pepper sauce together. I have my ripe plantain. It's washed and clean already. So I'll give it a slit. I'll remove the coat from the plantain. And I'll cut it into a smaller size. You can cut it into any shape that you desire. Okay, so this is what I'm going for. I'll just cut it into bite sizes. Next, I'll transfer it into my bowl. I'll season it with salt and I will just toast it up and down. I will just toast it the way you are saying it, just for the salt to coat very well with the plantain. Next, I'll heat up my vegetable oil and I'll start frying my plantain. So I'm going to fry this plantain till it is golden brown. Thank you everyone for always coming back to watch me. Thank you for subscribing. For those that have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please, subscription is free, so just hit the subscription button. And there's a bell beside it. Hit it and you get notified whenever I post any video. Okay, so now it is golden brown and this is what I'm going for. Okay, so next I'll be removing the plantain from my vegetable oil. As in, the golden color is so beautiful. So beautiful. So after doing this, we set this aside. Please don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, share to your family and friends, and let's continue. Next, I will heat up my vegetable oil and I'll add in my chopped onion. I'm gonna saute this for a few minutes till it is translucent. Next, I'll add in my grated ginger. So this is building up the flavor for the pepper sauce. Next, I'll add in my fresh cooked tomatoes and pepper. So you can put the pepper you can actually tolerate. Okay, stir this and cook it till the sauce reduces. Okay, I'll add in my spice. We're gonna cook this sauce till the sour taste of the tomatoes and the pepper is off. Good. What I'm doing now is just to stir fry it. Next, I'll transfer my fried plantain into the sauce and my leftover chicken. So I'm gonna stir everything and make sure the sauce coats with them properly. And this is so good. Next, I'll be adding in my bell peppers, red bell pepper, green bell pepper, spring onion. You can decide to use any vegetable of choice. Okay, so these are the vegetables that I'll be going in with. So I'll stir everything together and allow it for just a minute and we are done. The taste was out of this world. So you can serve this with rice, or you can eat it alone without pairing it with anything. Thank you for always coming back. I truly appreciate, and I will see you in my next one. From me is bye.